Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Mazda 1.5 Skyactiv-G engine is a popular choice in Mazda's smaller vehicles, particularly the Mazda 2 Demio and certain versions of the Mazda 3 and MX-5 Miata. Like other Skyactiv-G engines, it prioritizes efficiency and linear power delivery through its unique high-compression, naturally aspirated design. Overview and history. The 1.5-liter, 1,496 cubic centimeters Skyactiv-G engine, designated as P5 VPRS for RWD applications like the MX-5 and P5 VPS for FWD applications like the Mazda 2 and Mazda 3, was introduced around 2014. It followed Mazda's Skyactiv philosophy of optimizing every aspect of the internal combustion engine, transmission, chassis, and body to achieve a balance of performance, fuel efficiency, and driving pleasure. Key to its design, similar to the 1.3L, is the high compression ratio, often 14.0 to 1, though sometimes 13.0 to 1 in markets requiring regular octane gasoline, like the US. This is coupled with technologies designed to prevent knocking at such high compression, including direct injection, precise fuel delivery, unique piston cavities, aid in combustion stability, 421 exhaust manifold, improves exhaust scavenging and reduces residual exhaust gases, which can lead to knocking. Dual sequential valve timing, dual SVD optimizes valve overlap for efficient combustion and a Miller cycle effect at certain RPMs for improved fuel economy. Reduced friction, lighter components, and improved lubrication reduce mechanical losses. I-Stop idling stop system, Mazda's efficient stop-start system. Review and opinions. General opinion. The 1.5 Skyactiv-G is generally well received, especially in the context of the vehicles it powers. Owners often praise its smoothness, responsiveness, and excellent real-world fuel economy. It's known for its reliability and low running costs. Driving experience. Mazda 2/Mazda 3 FWD applications in these lighter cars. The 1.5L engine provides ample power for city driving and highway cruising, especially in its higher power output versions. It's responsive and revs smoothly, contributing to a fun-to-drive character that Mazda is known for. Some may find it feels a bit lazy at lower revs due to its naturally aspirated nature, but it delivers power consistently as revs build. Mazda MX-5 RWD application in the MX-5, the 1.5L Skyactiv-G, is particularly celebrated by purists. Its linear power delivery, willingness to rev, and delightful engine note perfectly complement the lightweight, balanced chassis, offering an engaging and pure sports car experience. While the 2.0L offers more outright power, many find the 1.5L more enjoyable for its rev-happy character and ability to be pushed to its limits more often on public roads. Advantages. Exceptional fuel economy. This is a hallmark of all Skyactiv-G engines, and the 1.5L is no exception. Its high compression and efficiency technologies result in impressive real-world MPG figures. Reliability and durability. Mazda Skyactiv engines have a strong reputation for being robust and reliable. They are generally considered bulletproof with proper maintenance, capable of high mileage without major issues. Smooth and linear power delivery. Unlike many small turbocharged engines that can have a surge of power, the naturally aspirated Skyactiv-G provides predictable and linear acceleration, making it easy to drive smoothly. Lightweight construction. The all-aluminum block and other lightweight components contribute to the overall vehicle's agility and further aid fuel efficiency. Low maintenance. The use of a timing chain, see below, eliminates the need for costly belt replacements. Responsive feel. The engine's willingness to rev and direct nature provides a connected and enjoyable driving experience. Disadvantages. Modest peak power. While adequate for its intended applications, the 1.5L Skyactiv-G is not a powerhouse. Drivers expecting strong low-end torque or blistering acceleration, especially when heavily loaded or at higher speeds, might find it lacking compared to turbocharged rivals of similar displacement. Needs to be revved. To extract maximum performance, the engine often needs to be revved higher, which can lead to increased engine noise at those higher RPMs. Less torque than turbocharged equivalents. While efficient, it doesn't offer the immediate surge of torque at low RPMs that some small turbocharged engines provide, which can impact in gear acceleration. Faults and breakdowns. The 1.5 Skyactiv-G engine is highly reliable, and major widespread faults are uncommon. However, like any engine, some minor issues or considerations can arise. Carbon buildup. Direct injection engines, while Mazda has engineered solutions to mitigate it. Direct injection engines are inherently susceptible to carbon buildup on intake valves over very high mileage. This can lead to rough idling, misfires, and reduced performance. Regular maintenance, and sometimes a professional carbon cleaning can address this. Minor oil consumption. Some owners might observe minor oil consumption, especially in higher mileage engines. This is generally not indicative of a major problem if within acceptable limits. Sensor failures. As with any modern vehicle, various sensors can fail over time, e.g., thermostat codes, but these are usually minor and not specific to the engine's fundamental design. Early cylinder deactivation. For some 2.5L and later engines, while less relevant to the 1.5L, some early versions of other Skyactiv-G engines, like certain 2.5L, had initial issues with cylinder deactivation leading to head cracking or HLA, hydraulic lash adjuster, failures. This does not appear to be a common issue with the 1.5L, and subsequent revisions for affected engines have largely resolved these. Overall, the 1.5 Skyactiv-G maintains Mazda's reputation for mechanical dependability. Fuel consumption. Fuel economy is one of the biggest selling points of the 1.5 Skyactiv-G. Real-world figures vary depending on the vehicle model, transmission, driving style, and conditions, but it consistently delivers impressive results. For example, in the Mazda 2 DJ generation, with the 1.5 Skyactiv-G 90 PS manual transmission, combined cycle, WLTP, or NEDC equivalent often around 4.5 to 4.7 L/100 km, approximate 50 to 52 US mpg. Many owners report achieving similar or even better figures with careful driving, especially on longer highway trips. Timing. The Mazda 1.5 Skyactiv-G engine, like all Skyactiv-G engines, uses a timing chain to synchronize the crankshaft and camshafts. Timing chains are designed to be maintenance-free and typically last the life of the engine, unlike timing belts, which require periodic replacement. This contributes to lower long-term ownership costs. Oil. For the Mazda 1.5 Skyactiv-G engine, Mazda generally recommends recommended oil types: Mazda Original Oil Supra 0W20, Mazda Original Oil Ultra 5W30. Alternative specifications: if Mazda Original Oil not available, API SG/SH/SH/SL/SM/SN or ILSAC GF2/GF3/GF4/GFE. For Europe, API SL/SM/SN or ASIA A3/B3 or A5/B5. 0W, 20, 5W, 30, 5W, 40, 0W30. Capacity. With oil filter replacement, approximately 4.2 L, 4.4 USQT, 3.7 MQT. Without oil filter replacement, approximately 3.9 L, 4.1 USQT, 3.4 MQT. Total, dry engine approximately 4.7 L, 5.0 USQT, 4.1 MQT. Always consult your specific vehicle's owner's manual for the precise and most up-to-date oil recommendations, as specifications can sometimes vary by model year, region, or specific vehicle application, e.g., MX-5 versus Mazda 2. Versions. The 1.5 Skyactiv-G engine, P5, VPS for FWD, P5, VP, RS for RWD, has seen several power output variations depending on the market and specific model application. These variations are often achieved through software tuning rather than significant hardware differences, particularly between the 75 PS and 90 PS versions in the Mazda 2. Common power outputs include 75 PS, 74 horsepower/55 kilowatts, often the base engine in the Mazda 2 in some markets. 90 PS, 89 horsepower/66 kilowatts, a very common and popular output for the Mazda 2, offering a good balance of economy and usability. 115 PS, 113 horsepower/85 kilowatts, a more powerful version available in some Mazda 2 models, providing livelier performance. 131 PS, 129 horsepower/96 kilowatts. This higher output version of the 1.5 Skyactiv-G is notably used in the ND generation Mazda MX-5 Miata, where its character perfectly suits the lightweight sports car. The engine is typically paired with either a 5-speed or 6-speed manual transmission, or a 6-speed Skyactiv drive automatic transmission. Later versions might also incorporate mild hybrid technology, M-hybrid, for further efficiency gains. Conclusion: the Mazda 1.5 Skyactiv-G engine is a testament to Mazda's commitment to naturally aspirated engine excellence. It's a highly capable, reliable, and remarkably fuel-efficient engine that provides a smooth and engaging driving experience, especially in the lighter Mazda models it powers. While it may not offer the brute force of turbocharged rivals, its refined character, impressive economy, and proven durability make it a compelling choice for drivers who appreciate a balanced and responsive powertrain. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.